Good morning. Good morning. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Good morning. How are you? I am so excited but so anxious. I am going red. Today I will be going naturally red. I haven't had red hair since probably college. So it's been about 10 years. I used to always have a red tint or full-blown Crayola red hair. So this is going to be interesting, completely different, but I want to do it. I'm going to do it. Let's start this bad boy back up. Love you. It's insane to me that we purchased, I think that thing was like $500, and my husband put stickers all over it. God damn it. So I am a psycho and rearranged my shoes and bags again last night. I just can't resist. So I removed another shelf from right here in order to fit all of my boots. I need to buy more boot stuffers so that they stick upright. Hi. But in doing this rearranging, I took out some summer shoes and I just kind of have a mess. So I'm going to clean up this filming area right now. Huh, Mama? When I say I am obsessed with NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline, 4 out of just one purse from last night I took out. NYX, just give me a lifetime supply, please. I am beginning to have way too many frames. These are just my prescription. These are my blue light, and that's not even all of them. So I really love having this jewelry organizer, and I just found a glasses organizer similar to this one. So I'm thinking I will buy it and just stack it or be able to easily store in these drawers. Okay, now that the house is like a little picked up, I feel better about starting my day. Maybe I should move you over here. Oh, look at that, way better lighting. If you're wondering about the clothes behind me, my husband and I are taking holiday photos, or I guess just like updated family photos with the baby on Friday. It was his idea, so I was not gonna miss an opportunity to get photos done. So we have been going to the mall every single day to try and find good outfits to wear together. It's hard because you can't try stuff on. So we go home and then, yeah, it's just a pain in the butt. It's just a vacuum, Mama. Hey, it's just a vacuum. You're okay. Hi. It is 11:24. I just got done doing my skincare and whatnot, so now it's time to pick out an outfit. I want to go more casual. Oh, this is pretty low. So I would like to go more casual just because I'm going to be sitting there for probably 3 to 4 hours. And yeah, that's just my style anyways. I don't know. Okay, here's the final outfit. Flannel buttoned up, leather leggings or faux leather leggings, and then my platform Doc Martens. I'm not gonna do a full face of makeup just because I'm gonna have a mask on for a very long period of time. So I'm just gonna apply some concealer. I am so nervous about this appointment. So nervous. This is my third hairdresser in like 5 years, I think. I stopped seeing my old one because we were just getting in like personal tiffs, and she has an excellent style of how she does hair. It's just not what I was looking for anymore. She did a lot of like baby lights, which was good for a natural grow out and whatnot. So I started seeing my last hairdresser who I had known for years, and I loved her work. And I love the lived-in look. That is so my style. It just looks like effortless. She just always blew my expectations out of the water for the style I was looking for. Like that hand-painted, effortless, lived-in color, like what I have right now. But unfortunately, I'm not seeing her right now because she just like was hurting me professionally. I had to take 2 days, and I know a lot is going on right now with like people having to randomly call out with COVID and being a small business owner. Like, I'm sure it's hard, but I also have a job. So for me to take 2 half days at work and then be canceled on morning of, and then when it came to scheduling, she told me a day and I asked her what time, and then she didn't let me know if I'm like crazy for thinking this way. She didn't answer me in 2 days, didn't even say like, hey, I'm just trying to make sure my schedule is set to take you. I'll let you know as soon as I know. Instead, she responded back on a Saturday night when I had my best friend's family over for dinner. So I didn't respond because it wasn't on my phone. I was entertaining people, hosting at my house. And when I responded back Sunday morning to confirm I could do that time for that day, she had given my appointment away. So she didn't answer me in 2 days, but then I didn't answer her in one night, and she had given my appointment away, which she had already rescheduled on me twice. So at that point, I'm just like, I already took 2 days out of work. You didn't give me the common courtesy of responding back in 2 days. And then you filled an appointment that was meant for me, or you said I could have, because I didn't answer you back on a Saturday night at 8:30. I love her work and I love her. And I'm probably going to see her again eventually. I just think she needs to like settle in to her new salon and maybe get someone working her book for her, because not responding back in like 2 days or rescheduling last minute, it sucks, point blank, no matter who you are or what you're doing. So yeah, so I found this new girl on Instagram. I really like her work. She does that same lived-in color and like hand painting that I like. She does do a lot more blondes. So I asked her, like, not to be rude, but to be switching a hairdresser, you kind of want to know if they can handle like red, because that's what I'm doing. I'm going red. It's not something that a lot of people do. So I just wanted to make sure with her that she was comfortable with it before we like both agreed to, I guess, take each other. Me hire her as a hairdresser and her take me on as a client. So I guess that's why I'm nervous, because I don't know her and I've only seen her work on Instagram, but obviously I trust her enough to book with her. It's just gonna be interesting. I don't know. I also like hate that I'm not seeing my current hairdresser, because again, I really like her and I trust her work and she always understands what I want to do. She's just killing me professionally. I like really struggle with that I talk shit to my nail girl too all the time. Like, I book my appointments, and that's the thing, like, I book my appointments out months in advance. Do you guys deal with this? Is this just like common across every industry? Like, I book my appointments months out in advance for trims or fills or color, and then they make you wait like 20 minutes in the parking lot when you get there on time, or they cancel on you an hour before your appointment. And this isn't just during COVID, like, this has always happened to me, and it sucks. It really, 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 really sucks. I don't know, maybe I'm being too harsh. Let me know if I sound like a psycho. It's 12 o'clock. My appointment's only in 45 minutes, but I want to leave a little bit earlier. I get wicked anxiety about being late, especially for a place I've never been or seeing someone I've never seen before, like any form of meeting. If you just watched my day in the life of an insurance agent video, then you know I need to be on time. If not, I like wicked stress out about it. So I'm gonna head there a little bit earlier, pay for parking, chill, get all the photos I want that are like my inspiration photos. Let's pick out our perfume of the day. I'm gonna go with Black Opium from YSL. And then for a bag, I want something that's casual since I look like a hitchhiker. So I think I'm just gonna go with, oops, the mini Palm Springs backpack. Okay, made it fashionably early to my appointment like usual, but I guess I should tell you guys what I'm actually getting done to my hair because I haven't yet. So I really haven't had like a different style in so long. I just get really long layers usually, and then I'll get my front pieces a little bit shorter, like to my chin. It's pretty grown out right now, just so it hangs around my face when I put my hair up. So today I'm going to be getting a healthy trim. I can tell my ends are dead. They're not cute. And then I'm going to be getting curtain bangs. So I know it's like everyone's getting right now, but I'll be getting curtain bangs probably like this. Will all be shorter. And then obviously I'm going red. So a lot is going on today, but I'm going to run downstairs right now and do it.
That I would have done because I think that's her. Oh my god.
Callie, should I show them my new hair? Should I? I think they're ready to see it. Hi, here it is. No, stop. Oh, hey! My God. I leave for 4 hours and this is how needy she gets. So, this is my hair. I'm sorry the lighting is so bad. It's like 5 o'clock and the sun has set. So this is it. I'm really, really happy with it. It looks amazing. So the entire experience was awesome. As soon as I got there, they took me in. I filled out a new client form. She immediately reviewed exactly what I wanted to go over. I did not feel rushed at all. In my head, I had something different than what I actually wanted, if that makes any sense. So we went through my Pinterest and all my saved photos, and she explained a lot to me, which was really nice. Then she started to balayage my hair. Another thing that was really nice that I've never had before or never seen before, and it reminded me of Grey's Anatomy, how, I'm so corny, but Grey's Anatomy, how they do the, like apprentice and intern, or residents and interns and attendings. So they had a bunch of girls that were just out of beauty school and they have to train there for a year before they can be a stylist. So there was never one time where I just sat there like waiting on someone to check on me or didn't know what was going on, or that was really, really refreshing. So there was always someone there. So after balayage, melted my root and applied the gloss, and then I got a really nice cut. It's curled so you can't tell right now. And I got curtain bangs. So here they are when my hair's up. I have my curtain bangs, and yeah, then she curled my hair for me after my blow dry. So she was awesome. I'm so happy that she took the time to like really explain what I was showing her and like the realities of what I could do. So I'm gonna have to go back every 6 weeks to get a gloss touch up. Red fades really easily, but then it also doesn't come out very easily, and then it also doesn't stick very easily, like that color that I'm looking for. So it'll be about 3 to 4 months before I have like this color really sticking and not fading so easily. But yeah, I'm really happy with my hair. I think it looks so good. My husband, I sent him a photo. He said he really likes it. So I know. You're being so needy. You are being so needy. Do you not recognize mommy as a redhead? I'm really happy. So I'm going to end this vlog because I have a meeting from 6 to 8 and I need to go make dinner. Khaleesi, you're being very rude. And I have to go make dinner. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you like the red. You've now seen me blonde, brunette, and redhead.